All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got the roguelike back here, and I've done a couple different things. I just put a trunk on it. So I figure I'd do an update. I'll talk about some of the things that I like so far on this motorcycle, because I got to tell you, there is a lot of things that I like on this bike. There's a couple things that I don't, but for the majority, I love the roguelike. Now, some of the updates or upgrades that I got here are not like the best things ever, or what is the best this, or what is the best that. I don't care about those things. On this motorcycle, primarily what I care is about comfort, because I want to put miles down the road, right? I want to go out, I want to ride my bike, I want to enjoy myself, and I want to kind of stay away from the newest thing, or this or that. I just want to ride my bike and enjoy myself. So a lot of the things that I have is kind of like comfort things that are helping me out ride longer, things that are helping me out big time, because I have back issues and things like that, like the backrest that I got right here. So if you're new here into the channel, make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think. We talk about motorcycles, cars, trucks, life advice, whatever, whatever comes to my mind, we talk about it. Definitely share some comments down below. And if this is the first time here, check out my 2009 roguelike, and I love this thing, really love this thing. I got it for a really good deal. It has been about a year by now, and I have been able to enjoy it. Of course, it has the biggest engine ever, which is that 96 cubic inch right there. But when you come from an 88 cubic inch, my Road King that I have, that's like a big upgrade to me, like a big one. I enjoy that engine a lot. I sometimes want more power, but it is what it is. The 96 is doing it for now. I can actually keep up with all the guys that I ride with almost no issues. Every now and then I gotta kind of like push it, but for the most part I keep up with no issues, right? So again, 2009 roguelike is in pretty decent condition, and it has a little bit over 30,000 miles. Gonna give you a little walk around just so you can see it right here. And the biggest thing that I just put is the trunk. I'm a trunk kind of guy. I like the full dresser look. I'm gonna talk about that in a minute. And again, I'm just gonna tell you a couple things that I like. So all right, so let's start from here. First of all, I got the bars, right? And I believe this one's are 16-inch bars. There is one thing that I don't like about this, and it's essentially that is a 1-inch bar. As you can see, the cables are out. So if you're gonna get bars, make sure you get like a 1 1/4 or something like that, so the cables are inside. It's a better look, it looks clean, and it just looks so much better. But as you can see, I got 1-inch bar, pretty skinny right there, a little bit of rust there. I really don't care. Like I say, I'm just riding this bike. But again, I love the side. I think it's a pretty good side when it comes to me, how I feel, how I'm able to maneuver the motorcycle and all that. I think it's fantastic. Like I say, I wish it would be bigger, 1 1/4 inch, or I think it's 1.5 inches, some of the bars. But again, it is doing the job. So far, I love apes. If you haven't ride a bike with apes, you're missing out. If you have back issues, apes is one of the biggest things that you could get, because it allows you to sit down and put your arms like this, so you have a better sitting position, at least to me, and it's so much comfortable. I gotta tell you, without apes, I cannot ride a motorcycle, because it will hurt my back big time. So the apes are doing, again, I wish it would be a little bit thicker, but they're gonna do the job. Now obviously this is an old bike, so if you have an old bike, here's the deal, right? I got my cell phone mounted right here. As you can see, this product is from Ram, and again, it's pretty fantastic. This is the XL. It holds a big phone, as you can see right there, and it's doing a decent job. I'll make sure that I put all this down in the comment section, the links and things like that. But as you can see, I got an adapter right here, and obviously I'm running a cable, which I usually have a little bit better, but I go all over the bars and I connect it right here. So that allows me to have my phone charge. So I'm able to charge my phone, check my maps, listen to music and things like that, and the phone continues to be charged. Now I do want to change the speakers in this motorcycle, because they're not that great. Obviously they are old. The radio is doing an okay job, because I got an adapter that I'm going to show you. But again, the speaker, I'm probably going to change them. So the way that I play the phone is with this adapter right here, and again, I'll make videos about this. So essentially it's a Bluetooth adapter that connects to the phone right here. So once it connects, I have an auxiliary port right here, and I'm able to play music. So really easy. I just open my music, I put it on the phone right here. I'm able to play the music through my speakers, and again, I'm able to charge my cell phone. That does the job right there, guys. I gotta tell you, it works fantastic. I think it was about $16 or something like that. Now, I don't ride with a helmet a lot of times. I know some of you guys, you know, get upset about that. It is what it is. But you know what? Doing long rides, you need to drink, you need to stay hydrated and things like that. And I got this Ran, you know, I really like the Ran products. I have this Ran bottle of, you know, cup holder, whatever it's called. And that's kind of how I have my water or my drinks and things like that. You could kind of see it right here. You have some adapters or you have some way to change this around. In fact, you could take this bowl right here and put it here or switch them around. I mean, you could do all kind of different things. It does look a little bit crowded in here, but I gotta tell you, it's so practical, right? Like I sit down here on my bike, I have my phone, I have my drink, everything is good to go, right? Now, the other thing that I did that it has saved my life, it has actually increased my life or my riding time a lot. And I know a lot of guys talk about this, and I always kind of like got them off thinking that it was not going to be a big deal. Let me tell you, it is a big deal. It's freaking amazing. It's going to be this backrest right here. Again, it doesn't look great. It doesn't look like the best thing ever. It doesn't look like it's, you know, super stylish or anything like that. You know, it has a little pocket back here. It looks just normal, right? You could actually pull this out if you want to, but I don't care about that because I got to tell you, this thing is so comfortable. It makes it so fantastic and increases my riding style for so much more. I gotta tell you, I cannot be without this. It's just so amazing. It puts pressure right in the lower back, and I gotta tell you, it's really fantastic. Let me give you a look from back here, and you can see it right there. I'm telling you, that's gonna change your life. If you got back problems, apes, that and highway pegs, which I'm going to show you next, is going to be your best friends. It's going to be really fantastic. Again, like I say, it doesn't look super stylish or anything like that, but I don't care. It gives me comfort. Obviously, you got the highway pegs right here, and again, you know, that helps you out a lot. It kind of allows you to stretch and things like that as you're riding for a while, and to me, that is fantastic. Now, one thing that I got just recently is going to be this trunk right here, and you can see it. And like I say, I love the trunks. I love everything about it. I think they're really comfortable for me because I don't have to bend over that much. If you know me for a while, you probably know that I don't like to bend over, and pretty much because I have back issues and I try not to, you know, do anything crazy, anything like that. So again, even opening my bags, my saddlebags and things like that, you know, typically I don't have an issue, but if it's a bad day or something like that, that I want to be really careful, I don't want to be bending over. So again, the trunk is so convenient to me. Not only you could put so many different things in there, but also it kind of helps me out because I don't have to be like I said, bending over and things like that. So again, love it. Obviously, it gives you some back support. If I have my wife back here, which she hasn't ride this motorcycle yet, but it's coming. It's truly coming. So she's gonna have some really good support back here, and obviously it's gonna give me a lot more space. Now, I'll put a link for this trunk down below, but this is your Amazon cheap special, right? Nothing fancy, but I gotta tell you, it looks good. It comes with a mount as well, so it's kind of like a whole setup, right? And we're gonna open it up here just to give you a look. I guess, you know what, for the money that you pay for it, really nice. Now, I got a box here. This is a shoe box. I got some stuff in there, first aid kit, things like that. I got another hat in here. I got my dollar special glasses so I can see. Got my little beanie there if it gets cold, some glove. I got a couple different things in here. And this is a little bit annoying, this little stream right here. So when you close it, you kind of have to be careful, right? So it doesn't get cut, but for the most part, it does okay. It does have a key right here, and quite frankly, it's kind of annoying because to close it, you have to lock it, which it may be a preference thing. I don't really have things there that you can steal, and if you could just steal the whole thing. But sometimes I wish you could just close it. You actually have to use the key to close this thing. But again, it looks good. I think it looks fantastic. Quick look from this side right here so you can have an idea. I mean, it looks really, really nice. I love the whole full bagger look. I just want to give you a quick look on how the motorcycle would look without the trunk, just to give you an idea. And one of the things that I love about trunks like this is that you could take it off, you could put it on with no issue. You can see me here, I'm in a parking lot. Here's the bike, here's the trunk. I just took it off real quickly just to give you an idea. So again, if you want to ride like this, ride like this. But if you want to bring your girl or you need more space or whatever, just put the trunk back on really quick, really easy. So again, just giving you an update. Again, you know, some of these things are not like the best things ever or the most high tech or the best thing in the market yet. I don't care about those things. I just want to be able that I could ride my motorcycle, go out there with my friends, pull miles down the road and enjoy myself, and it's gonna work for me. So far, I like like it. I think it's doing, you know, pretty good. The bike is running great, and you know what? I haven't had any issues, and I'm gonna continue to push. So the biggest thing that I'm probably gonna do, or I want to actually do, is change your speakers right here. Probably put a radio that has Bluetooth, and maybe, I don't know, maybe 2 speakers or something like that. I don't want to put speakers in the saddlebags because I don't want to lose the ability to put stuff in there. So other than that, I'm enjoying the bike. I think it's going to last for a while, and I think you're going to see this bike here for a long time. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.